Walking in Chili's.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
I love it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to jump straight into the makeup tutorial. It's probably going to be a quick one just because this is going to be a whole hair and makeup transformation. So I think the only makeup portion of this is really like 9-10 minutes. So the first thing I did was just moisturized and primed Chelsea's face. So I added a serum, a moisturizer, and now I'm using a primer. And then the next thing we're going to be using is a foundation a little bit darker than her face because she did just get a spray tan. So I just wanted to match everything together, and this makeup look is very dewy and bronzy, which is a very universal glam makeup look for a lot of different types of people. I also wanted you guys to keep in mind that I do have a lot of tutorials that I have client makeup tutorials where I show you sanitary ways on how to apply makeup and handling makeup when applying it to your client. This is not one of those. Chelsea is my good friend and we kind of were just doing a makeup look, so there definitely are things in here that you'll probably see that shouldn't be done on other people when doing makeup as a job. But enough of that. Now we are just blending out her foundation with a beauty blender. This is actually the one from Real Techniques. I just always call it a beauty blender. And now I'm just going to be applying this concealer under her eyes, middle of her forehead, down her nose, smile lines, and her chin. Basically areas I want to conceal and highlight, and she didn't have any sort of blemishes, must be nice, but that I didn't have to worry about. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to be taking the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I dab the concealer out from under the eyes, and then I pack it in straight away so no creases come back to life. And then with the rest of the powder, since there's going to be like powder all over her face, you just dust it around and set everything else. So now I'm going to be taking my favorite bronzer for kind of light to medium skin tones, I guess, and it's the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and I'm just going to be dusting that around the perimeter of her face and also contouring her face a bit. I like to contour with a warm tone bronzer. I just think it's more natural depending how warm it is, but I think this one's like perfect. And then after that, I'm going to be taking that setting powder again, and I'm going to be carving out under her cheekbones and also either side of her nose since we contoured that too, just to clean up the edges a bit, and then I'll dust that away. So the next few things to complete the face look is some blush. I love this blush so much. It's the Nars Orgasm blush. I just think it's so pretty. It has reflex in it. And then we're going to go in with a highlighter. This is the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop Highlighter, which is my favorite and I use on a lot of people when I've done makeup. And then lastly, we're going to set it all, and this is pretty important, I think. Not necessarily the long wear effect, because I'm still questioning if it actually works. But it does get rid of all the heavy powders we put on the face. It kind of makes the face a little bit more comfortable and not look as cakey. So next I'm going to be using Benefit Precisely My Brow Eyebrow Pencil. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil. Really, any of their eyebrow pencils are pretty sick. But I just use that to brush it out and fill them in and create a shape for Chelsea's eyebrows. And then after that, I'm going to carve them out with concealer and then also put in some Maybelline brow fibers, I think it is. And then also the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, which is my favorite brow setter ever. I feel like it just works so well. So next I'm going to be taking Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette. It's one of the little mini ones. And I'm going to be taking this muted brown, light brown shade and kind of wash that all into her crease and over her lid. I just want a very blown out look right now. And then I'm going to go in with a darker color in the same palette to focus that on the outer thirds of her eyes. I first do it on the outer thirds of her eyelids and then take it up in the crease a bit, but focusing mostly on the outer thirds of the whole eye. So Chelsea has very deep set eyes and she doesn't have a lot of space between her eyelid and her eyebrow. So to fix if any color got too close to her eyebrow, I'm taking the lightest shade in this palette and I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and I'm just going to be putting it under her eyebrow just so her eyebrow bones, is that what you call it? The oh god, I can't remember, the eyebrow bones. I don't know. Those things that I'm putting the eyeshadow on are kind of more highlighted. It kind of just makes the whole eye look pop if you do that. So next I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to be putting that directly on her eye to prepare it for the eyeshadow, the shimmery eyeshadow I'm going to be putting on her eyelids. This is especially needed in this situation because the shimmer I'm putting on her eyes is a loose pigment, and you guys know I use the glitter glue to make colors more pigmented, but it will definitely be needed for this unless you want like major fallout and not the pigment it could be if you use the glitter glue. So next I'm gonna go ahead and do liquid eyeliner. I wanted to do a wing on Chelsea as well. I'm not very good at filming this part, apparently. I didn't have very much room to move around and I was blocking most of the camera, but I do have tutorials where I show myself putting liquid eyeliner on. So yes, we did liquid eyeliner. So next I just took a smaller eyeshadow brush and took the darkest shade that we put in Chelsea's outer thirds of her eyes and put it on her lower lash line. And then Chelsea just applied some white or nude eyeliner pencil to her lower waterline and then mascara to her bottom lashes. So Chelsea already has eyelash extensions in, but we really wanted a va-va-voom eye look. And we applied some lashes on top because why not? So these are the Ardell wispy lashes, and I'm going to use the Duo eyelash glue. I always feel like this is easier on myself and other people when I use tweezers. So the last step is lips, so I'm just going to be using the MAC Spice lip liner on her. I'm going to overline just a tiny bit, and then we're going to be adding a Bobbi Brown, I think it's Barely There lipstick, but I'll leave it down below. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy the makeup look. It's just a very typical glam makeup look that's very flattering on Chelsea. And next we're off to go do hair.
Because you cannot do too much. If you do too much, if your hair was like say down here, you could do solid balayage.
Yeah.
But right now because it's short, if you do solid balayage, it's gonna wash you.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and I love how like Tiana's has grown out and it still looks just so good.
It's been like when?
A year.
Seriously?
Don't you think? Oh wait, no. Oh, okay, maybe that was a couple, maybe in February.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, why did I think it was a year? Okay. You look so pretty.
And my jewelry the same as went out one day. And when we came back, like the inventory ring, everything was pretty much the same. And I went to unlock the safe.
Cute.
How is she looking in the camera? Is it? Do you think should I do more warm light or is this cool?
I feel like this is fine.
Because her shadow on the thing, it pops with warm.
Yeah.
Because it's like kind of brown.
No, it looks good. Oh, this is a little bit strange.
It's crazy how I can just rock every single look. Tinfoil all over my head, still looking good.
You do her hair differently than me, yeah?
Yeah, because it's first time. Because I never I never did your hair like natural blonde. Because you always have something.
How do you feel? Do you feel like
Prettiest girl at the dance. Prettiest girl at the dance.
I'll take my towels home today.
Did you wash your fingers?
This reminds me of like those ladies.
Come with me. Come with me then.
So you look hilarious right now. You look like some old lady.
I know, I look like one of those ladies from like the 1910s
There
when
you
they
go.
do their hair all up like that.
Our virgin.
Yeah. So you're not in it right now. It's just
No,
your hands.
I will go like here when I
And
do.
then-
Closer and show me.
There's like a minute of video. Okay?
Yeah, no. It's really nice.
Oh my gosh. So Matt and I want a TV show.
Yes, we're gonna make a TV show.
And we want to do this on the TV show.
Look like
Somebody come find us. Sorry. What is this?
Texturizing.
I like it.
Ooh.
Oh, I want that texturizing spray. Whatever that is, I want
I'll
it.
give you one.
Oh, it looks so good. Damn.
Magic hands. He has magic
It looks
hands.
so good, dude.
I really, really love it. Wow.
My boyfriend's gonna leave me.
For me, not her. Sorry. Who are you?
Oh my god, it looks so good.
I love it. I love it.
Why don't we have a TV show?
We will.
Okay.
We will. You know, honestly, seriously.
Oh, it looks so good. I can't even stand next to you anymore.
I do really like. I've never had it done this like perfectly. It's always been like sort of what I wanted. Something wrong
Something
about
wrong,
it.
yeah.
Or like just completely facial. This is like literally what I've been wanting for years. I'm so happy.
Mr. Mad's like, yeah.
Yeah. Just for
What
the
about
That's
it?
easy. That's like, you know.
But that's life.
That is hot, my friend. Let's go.
Can you do some turns for me?
Forward. And your chin always.
So this is the final look of everything together. Sir Matt has his hair all done, and then the makeup. Let's give an overview of everything. Hair, and then makeup.